Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Shanice. Hi. I have a special guest, my little sister.
Hello.
Her name's Raquel, aka Nigel.
Rocky.
Nigel. We are going to be filming the makeup challenge, doing your makeup at the same time.
With one hand.
She keeps saying with one hand, but I feel we do our makeup with one hand anyway because we only have one hand.
I don't. I use both my hands.
When you're doing someone's makeup,
Yeah.
you mean to like hold their face up or something?
Exactly, but you're gonna have to. Now I can't do that.
Okay, that's okay. I get it now. I get it. So we're gonna be filming, doing each other's makeup at the same time with one hand, and it should be interesting. Let's see what it looks like. Cause, bitch, I ain't confident. You feel me? I ain't confident. All right. So if you like to see, please keep on watching. What do you use for your brows?
I like to use this pencil from the beauty store. It's like 99 cents.
Get your shit for what you gonna do first on me.
Oh, okay.
It's at the same time. One at a time. Let's get into this. I'm not a makeup artist. Disclaimer.
I am not perfect.
I am gonna try to do really good though. I'm gonna try my best. Especially since a bitch could only use one hand. And she's like an eyebrow goddess. This puta. I am not, okay? She's an eyebrow connoisseur.
Thank you.
And I suck at brows. Because she got brows. I don't got brows. Maybe that's why I suck.
You're really good at what you call it though, contour. I suck at that shit. Hold on.
This is gonna be Hold on. Coronavirus! You can't be having your head like that. I can only use one hand. Okay, come on. This video is about to be 3 hours long. Okay.
I gotta relax. Okay. Okay. Alright.
I can't breathe.
You scared me for like 2 seconds.
Well, that's not bad. That's not bad. That's not bad. That's not bad at all. That's not bad at all. I ain't mad at that. I ain't mad at that. I ain't mad at that at all. So we're going to use the LA Girl Pro Conceal. Can you guys see that?
And fawn.
In fawn. You're using 2 hands.
Oh shit.
I was
Yeah.
like, what's wrong with this situation right now? Something's not right. I can't even see my brow. Yours are like, bam. One hand.
Shit. Sorry. That's like 3 strikes. That's 2 on mine.
I put some concealer on her eyes as a base, you know, for when I put on the eyeshadow. Oops, that's not mine. Alright, now I'm gonna buff this all in.
You
with
deadass gave me
my-
like some dark ass eyebrows.
That's a pencil you use. I don't know. Maybe I gotta comb it through some more. You gave me some ashy light brown eyebrows. I don't even know how that's possible with ADH. One hand, Nigel.
Fuck, sorry.
She made up this game and can't even follow the goddamn rules.
Moving a lot.
That's the way the game goes, shawty. The challenge. Can't stay still if I'm doing your face. At the same damn time. At the same
All
damn
right.
time. I couldn't see at that
I was
point.
about to say, I feel like you're doing this on purpose. Relaxing your eyes. Shanice.
Shouldn't be looking at each other in the camera until we're almost done. Be like, what did you do to my face?
The fuck is this?
She's still on my brows. I'm about to start.
Cause you fucking
I'm about to start.
moving hard as shit.
So are you, but I'm just figuring it out. I think I want to do like a little purple moment. Nothing too crazy.
Can we just finish your eyebrows?
No, you can't. That's how the game work.
It's not a game.
So the challenge work. Good challenge. That's what it is. Gonna pack. Then, gosh, your lids are actually really small.
You think so?
Yeah. And I'm using a Morphe Y16 brush. It's a big blending brush. So to pack, and then I'm gonna blow the color out.
Alright, fuck it.
Don't be doing no fuck it and having me looking like fuck it.
I'm not gonna have you look like fuck it.
Oh,
but
my
you're-
brows look good though.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, I mean, like, they cousins, but they're not sisters. Saying.
Aw, this bitch made me put eyeshadow on her eyebrow. Fucking A. Let me see. Okay, it's not that bad. Okay. Alright, this is giving me the vibe that I'm going for.
Yeah,
Nice
this
pink to
eyebrow,
purple transition.
not the best, but it's good.
Look into the camera. Let the people see what you're doing how I'm doing so far.
Fuck you in my progress, then, right?
You could do that as well.
This eyebrow is so much better than this one. Oh, it does. The transition's really nice.
Now I'm going to go into one of my favorite things in the things. This is the Juvia's Place Magic Mini Palette. And I'm going to take this dark purple color called Ife. This one here. This one here, guys. And we're going to put that in the crease. Put that in the crease like, ooh.
And I'm gonna go with this dark blue into her crease. Can I use this brush?
Yeah. Now I'm going to go in with the shimmer. I can't see what I'm doing. But this purple shimmy, yeah. This purple shimmer is called Fask in the Juvia's Place palette. Can you see it? Right there. Right there.
The fuck?
And I'm just taking a flat brush and I'm going to pack that all over baby girl's lid. While looking down, if that's possible. I'm just going to close my eye. You got to close this eye. Looking like you having a seizure.
I don't think I'm gonna tell anybody I'm a makeup artist anymore.
It's hard to like keep my right eye closed and my left eye open. But I can keep my left eye closed and my right eye open. But this, I'm actually thinking about what I'm doing. Look down. I was holding my breath. Like, God damn, bitch.
This is a very focused challenge.
It's hard to not stop and let the other person do what they gotta do.
Yeah.
That doesn't sound good, folks.
Okay, look at your lashes. Did I put them
Where's
away?
your foundation? Hey, I can't see, but yeah. I'm digging the shadow though.
I am too.
The liner's a little janky, but I'm digging this shit.
I can fix it if you let me fix it at the end.
No.
Okay.
I don't know what number it is. It doesn't say. And we're just going to push the product into her face.
Punching the shit out of me.
I ain't no makeup artist. you gonna take what I give you.
What are you laughing at?
You white enough for these.
What?
You're Caucasian enough. She ain't Caucasian?
No.
I swear she black. She like bad baby. She wanna be black so bad.
She's ridiculous.
But she's white. Pick up a brush. Oh,
I'll get it off.
they're like literally like intertwined. If you guys can see how we're sitting, literally.
God damn it. Got this concealer all over the eyelash.
Oh, pretty cute. Ooh, Chile. Wow, Raquela, I'm doing a good job. Your eye looks good. Oh, you just sprayed it? I'm like, why is it cold? Whoa! Jesus Christ. I think we are blended. I gotta do your mouth some more. Yo, being this close to somebody is so weird. Like, I'm just all up in your grill. Like, this is a janky backdrop, guys, but you'll be okay. Oh, shit. Don't like to put a lot of powder under the eyes. Just use a little product and I work it into the skin. I feel like that gives me the best finish when using powder.
That's what she said. No, I heard it.
I like first, whatever you just.
Yeah, let's do blush first. Hit the thing.
Yo, you are struggling right now, bro. You are struggling. Yo. What you just put highlighter all over my cheek. It kind of doesn't look bad though.
I was about to say, let me just try and do the other side. Okay.
She was shook. She said,
well, I'm done. So.
"Where's my lips?"
Oh, I forgot. You like that kind of stuff.
Talking about she's done. Bitch, you ain't done, bro.
Damn it.
Say cheese. Oh my god. Way too much blush. Don't worry, I can fix that.
I can fix that.
Yo, bitch, you look good, Raquela. I'm proud of myself.
This is really nice.
Bitch, this is a beat. Okay, let me figure out what I'm gonna put on your mouth. We're gonna do something different because she don't like to wear lipstick. See how this goes? Oh no, no, we're not doing one hand. Sorry, guys. Not with this one. I kind of don't want to mess with your costume.
What you call it? Is right, but I'm like.
Dude, I love this fucking.
She is
She was supposed to be doing my lips at the same time, folks.
First of all, you cheated and used 2 hands. So
Only to lift up your chin. So technically, it was like this. You know.
Mm-hmm. I'm not good at choosing lip stuff. I think I just made you look really ghetto.
I can't even express. Wait, I thought you were doing nude. This girl is using red.
It doesn't look bad.
Red and blue. Oh no.
Let me just finish.
Yes.
Open your mouth.
I think we did good.
I agree.
Tell us what you think in the comments down below. Like, comment, subscribe.
Share.
You know the deal.
Show
Share.
your friends.
If you thought you had a little chuckle moment here and there, you feel me? And come on back to my channel for another video. Peace out, bitches.
Oh, and look out for my YouTube channel because it's coming.
That too.
No.